Hello and welcome again to Joyful Kitchen Hacks. Here's a quick and simple chicken recipe for you. I hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click the bell, and share with your family, friends, and community. Keep watching!
So we'll start by prepping our chicken. In a bowl, add your chicken and poke some holes with a fork. Next, we're going to add some Greek yogurt, some lemon juice, and just some spices. All the ingredients in the description box for you and the exact measurements. Now, once all of our spices are in that bowl, we're just going to marinate this chicken and rub everything together nicely. So give those lapis a really good massage. Once you're done, you want to cover it and leave to sit for a while. I left mine overnight. Okay, on to the easy part. So I'm just going to line my baking tray just so that it doesn't get messy. And then I'm going to add the chicken to a rack and just scoop whatever is left of the marinade, just to cover these lapis with as much marinade as possible. So now it's time to pop them into the oven at 175 degrees C. While that's going, I'm just going to prep my pepper mix. So I've got some bell peppers, of different colors, some onions, and some scotch bonnet. And I'm just going to puree these ones and then pour in a pan to dry out the water. After 45 minutes, it's time to check on our chicken, and we want to flip them over so the other side can cook. While we wait for the chicken to cook, we're just going to make the pepper sauce. Okay, that's 30 minutes and the chicken is finally cooked. I'm going to turn them to the other side so you can see. I mean, if you want it crispier, you can leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes, but that's up to you. So we're going to transfer to the pan and cover the chicken in the sauce. So let's check on them. They look fine to me and ready to serve. So I'm serving here with some skin-on fries that I've just popped in the air fryer quickly, corn on the cob, and some cucumber. Bon appetit!